Well, our legal contributor and civil rights attorney Channa Lloyd joins me now for a little more context. So, Channa, the Clay County prosecutor says there was a racial component to all of this. So let's discuss that and how it could play into the prosecutor's case.
There's absolutely a racial component here, especially when we hear statements being given such as there were no words exchanged. So that means any feeling that Mr. Lester would have been based strictly on appearance. And so what we see is that there's absolutely a racial component to this, and it's going to play into the prosecution's hands as far as their case in chief and proving that it was a racially motivated crime.
So earlier today, Channa, on GMA3, Ralph Yarl's aunt, Faith Spoonmore, and family attorney Lee Merritt shared their thoughts on the charges against Andrew Lester. Let's take a listen.
Are you satisfied with these charges?
We're looking forward to speaking with the prosecutor later today to understand the thinking behind the charges. We understand the state of Missouri has unique criminal statutes, and he has a responsibility of going forward with charges he believes that he can meet given the facts and the law. We were a bit bewildered, I guess is the right word, that an attempted murder charge wasn't filed. It seems like attempted murder, but we'll have a chance to speak with the prosecutor about that later today.
So, Channa, the family wants Andrew Lester to be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. So I want to get your reaction to that, but then I can't help but look at that mugshot and think, oof, I wonder if something is going on with this guy. He's older. You know, could there be something else happening here that we don't know about?
Absolutely, Kara. When we look at the mugshot, you know, there is questions, a lot of questions. The average person is not just going to come to the door and start shooting. So I think there's a lot of information that we don't have about Mr. Lester at this point that will come out as we get closer to trial. I also agree that I'm very surprised that an attempted murder charge was not sought out by the state in this particular case, especially looking at the initial information that we have coming out of this incident. There wasn't a lot of information for Mr. Lester to have made an assessment, more or less to begin shooting. So I'm actually very surprised that there wasn't an attempted murder charge.
Well, we're definitely going to follow the case for sure, from beginning to end. Channa Lloyd, thank you so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.